Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank please like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, mostly welcome. So Springbok captain Siya Kolisi and his wife Racheal have revealed their decision to divorce after 8 years of marriage. The couple made a joint announcement on Instagram saying, "We wanted to share some important news with you. After much reflection and open conversation, we have mutually decided to end our marriage. This decision comes from a place of love, respect, and understanding that this is the best path forward for both of us. While our relationship as a couple is changing, we remain great friends and committed partners in raising our children with the same love and care they have always known. We will also continue working together on the foundation that means so much to us. We are grateful for the love, understanding, and support you have shown us, and we kindly ask for your respect as we navigate this transition with gratitude and love, Siya and Racheal." This is said as Racheal and Siya were one of the couples that were glorified all over social media. They didn't have much drama. And then to hear of this, it's so heartbreaking. I don't know what you guys think, because we don't know what made them come up to this decision, because we never heard of rumors of them cheating or so. You can correct me on that one. And they looked happy together, and I don't know what made them to divorce, because they didn't state the reason for their divorce. I think there's something that happened